So I'm back with, I'm calling this the final part, but the model is still not done, right? So yeah, there's still certain things that I need to do, but I think I've gotten this character to a far enough point to where I think you get the gist or the idea of how you can make characters in Blender or even like production ready characters like for video games and I guess movies, whatever you want to use them for. But yeah, this is the last part, and I will be finishing the hair, which also I will be leaving the hair in a somewhat complete, not really complete state. Like it won't be too hyper detailed, I guess. But yeah, the first thing that I will start doing with the hair, like I've been doing throughout most of the video, is multi-resolution sculpting. And the way I started this process, I didn't like how I did it with, I guess, like all those creases, so I had to restart, and I probably should have like deleted this part of the video out, but I just got lazy, so I just left it in. And yeah, that's I guess the first part where I try to get the definition of the hair and like sort of hair strands, basically just creating form for the hair, because like the way it is currently it looks a bit too smooth. That isn't to say that cannot work, it can, but I guess maybe it's personal preference. That's not the look I was going for. And from there I had to bake out the normals. Like, you're familiar with this part because I already did it for other parts of the model as well. And then from there I just went into texture painting. Now for the texture painting, I mean, I guess the only unique thing that I did here was just applying the gradient for the color. But when it comes to like the material setup, it's like I said, I took a lot of notes from how Julian Casper did the hair for Rain in that one character breakdown that I keep mentioning. So yeah, again, like I'll keep saying, if you're not getting enough information from me, then I suggest you just go watch that video. It's insightful. Now there's a map that I have to paint in this video where I'll use Krita. It's called the direction map, I think. Yeah, I'm not sure about like its naming conventions, but from what I can understand, it's called the direction map, which it will guide, I guess, the light on how it should shine or be reflective on the surface of the hair. And you will see at the end, like when I pan around the model, how it will look. But the boring thing about this one that I used is that it doesn't work, I think, in Eevee. So I had to change my render engine to Cycles. But the good thing about it is that I think it works with other render engines. If you have Marmoset, it works with Marmoset Toolbag. I think it also works with Unreal Engine. Don't quote me on that, I'm not sure, but yeah, whatever other rendering tools or software or engines that you might have, try it with that. I don't know how the setup for that would look when it comes to like implementing it, but there's research out there that you can do, because like even for me, when I had to paint this map, there was a video that I used. Oh man, I forgot to link the video, but yeah, like some guy shows how you can paint a directional, but I'm pretty sure you can look that up on YouTube, it will pop up. Like the video is pretty old even, so yeah, like he shows you how to paint a directional map in Krita, and he also renders the whole character and also the map in Marmoset. So yeah, it's I guess one of those things where it's like go out there, do your own research, and it will be hard for you to not come up with like any results that are helpful. So again, I'm just here as a sort of like a guide to steer you in the like right direction when it comes to this part specifically. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I will try to turn this whole series into a whole time lapse for those of you who are interested. And yeah, I guess I'll see you on the next video, which won't necessarily be a modeling tutorial, but I guess it can be maybe in the same topic as like 3D art and everything like that. But yeah, remember to do all the YouTube stuff, like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the channel. I mean, I've been off for, I guess, like my last upload was like 4 or 5 days ago, if I'm correct. So yeah, there hasn't been any like progress on my channel when it comes to like its metrics. But yeah, it's been, I guess, still, for lack of a better word. But yeah, I will see you guys on the next one, and thanks for watching.